Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we shall see how to write a program to interchange the given two variables using a third variable and interchange two variables without using a third variable in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, paste the video link in your social networks, whichever the social networks you are using. Happy learning, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Now I will write a program to interchange the values of two variables using a third variable in Python programming. So first we'll open the Python interpreter. This is the interpreter. We'll create a new file by clicking on file and then new file. This is the script mode. So now I will write an comment hash program to interchange the values of two variables by using third variable. Program to interchange the values of two variables by using third variable. I'll write a equal to int, open the bracket, input. It is for the purpose of displaying and reading a value. Int within a single quotes, enter the first number, space, single quotes close, double brackets close. Then b equal to int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket within a single quotes, enter the second number, single space, double bracket close, that is single quotes close, then bracket close with respect to input function, then bracket close of converting the value which has been read in string to an integer. Then display those values. Print, open bracket within a double quotes, before interchanging values are, before interchanging values are, double quotes close, comma, a, comma, double quotes, and b is equal to, before interchanging the values, before interchanging values are, a is equal to, double quotes close, comma, a, comma, again in the double quotes, and b is equal to, double quotes close, comma, p, close the bracket. Press enter. Now we write the code, that means the formula to interchange given two variables by using a third variable. We can write temp equal to a, then a equal to b, b equal to temp. So suppose if the value of a is 10, then what happens? Temp will be equal to 10. Then after that we have written a is equal to b. That means a will be equal to b value. Suppose b value is 20, then a value will become 20. Then after that we have written b is equal to temp. That means b value will become 10. That means first initially a value was 10 and b value was 20. Now you can see it has been interchanged. So this one I have just written for the purpose of explanation. You should not write this one. Okay, these three. Then continue the program. So now print, open bracket within a double quotes, after interchanging values are, a is equal to, double quotes close, comma, a, comma, within a double quotes, and b is equal to, double quotes close, comma, b, close the bracket. Now save the program. Save. I will write as swap w, that means swap with third variable. So then run the program, just F5 from the keyboard. It will have the first number, I will give 10. Enter the second number, I will give 20. Now you can see the output before interchanging values are A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. After interchanging the values are A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. So values have been interchanged by using an third variable. Now we'll return program to interchange the values of two variables without using a third variable. So I'll do thing, I'll just copy the same program and I'll paste in a new file. Okay, instead of typing again, just I will make the modification in that one and I will show you. So I have copied it and I have been pasting. So program to interchange the values of two variables by using third variable is there. Here I will write program to interchange the values of two variables without using a third variable. So first statement will be same, second statement will be a same, just it is used for the purpose of reading two numbers and storing in A and B. Then this one print statement, which is used for the purpose of displaying before interchanging. Then in the place of these three, where we have temp is equal to A is equal to B and B is equal to temp, in that place we need to write as A equal to A plus B. Then afterwards you have to write B equal to A minus B. Then after that you need to write A equal to A minus B. Okay, then again the print statement, the same print statement you need to write. So here what happens, suppose if A value is 10 and B value is 20, then what happens, we have written A equal to A plus B. 10 plus 20 will be 30. Then next, in the next statement we have written B is equal to A minus B. That means what, B will be equal to 30 minus the B value. So B value is what, 20. That means what, it will become so A value is 30 minus B value is 20. That means what, here 30 minus 20, it will become 10. That means B value will become 10. Next we have written A is equal to A minus B. A value is 30, B value is 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. So now the values are interchanged. So initially we have considered that A value is 10 and B value is 20. After execution of these three statements, we can see the value of A is 20 and B is 10. So I'll close this one, which I have written for the delete that one, which I have written for the purpose of explaining you how those values will be calculated. Now I'll save this program. Save, I will write swap wt, that means without third variable. Click on save, then click on run, then click on run module. Enter the first number, I will give 10. Enter the second number, I will give 20. So you can see before interchanging values are A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. After interchanging values are A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. In this way we can write a program to interchange the values of two variables using a third variable and the values of two variables without using a third variable. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, place this video link in your social status. Happy learning, gain the knowledge and rule the world.